How you doing? My name is Andrew Coverdale. I'm from New Jersey, and I am 30 years old. My experience here at Learning Alliance has been really an absolute great one. I really couldn't ask for a better experience. The current class that I'm in is the BDI class, which is the tower climbing course. I've also taken the wireless course as well as the fiber, and all three courses actually are very knowledgeable and will teach you a lot about the telecommunications industry. Being a part of this course has definitely made my life better. I will 100% say that. It's given me a new unique skill to learn, one that's not too difficult. It's very easy to understand, and it's within the industry that is only really going forward from this day on. Telecommunications is big and technology is always growing, so it's always going to be here. It's always going to be sustainable. I know now that as I pursue my career within the telecommunications industry, that I have the edge over others. And even some people that have been there for a while, maybe I've been able to learn something that they don't know about yet, or that maybe I have the knowledge and experience to actually bring that forward to the company and be able to say, yes, I know what I'm doing from day one. I know each company is going to try to teach us differently and things like that, but I know for a fact that I'll be able to say, like, yes, I know what you're talking about. If anyone is considering coming to this program or even getting a job in the telecommunications industry, even if you don't plan on coming here, I would still recommend you try to reach out and see what this program is about. There are a lot of great instructors. There's a great supportive staff here that will help you either find the job that you really do want or help you learn something that's brand new to you. The team of people, from the instructors to the student services team, has been great. I got a chance to talk with the man in charge, Cesar, before, and Cesar is a brilliant man. I can see exactly where his business is going. From the instructors that I've had in the current course that I'm in, the tower climbing class, which is Brooke, Don, Tori, all of these guys have been super helpful. And then going to the wireless and fiber class, Grant, Skylar, Tate, these guys are amazing and very smart at knowing what they're doing. And the student services team from Ken, Dawn, and Samira, they are an amazing group that will really help you find the right career path that you want to take, whether it be with a big name company or one that's just starting out. Those three will definitely get you where you need to go. It's been a great time being here. It's definitely impacted my life in a positive way. The number one thing that I can say is that I really didn't know where my life was going when it came to the sense of a actual career. I've always had different employment that were just jobs. That's all they were. Being here, I now know that this is an industry that is going to give me an actual career. It's going to give me job stability. It's going to give me something that I can look forward to getting up in the morning and going to work. I know for a fact that I'm going to enjoy it when I actually do go to work on my first day and when I go to work on my last day when I retire. So being here and being around this team of people, again, Ken, Samira, Dawn, they have all been amazing and very helpful. This is a great program and a great school.